Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a cartoon Frankenstein. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, we're gonna need paper, something to color with. I'm using markers, and something to draw with. I will use a black marker that you can change for a pencil. Okay, little artists, let's start this picture of a cartoon Frankenstein, and this time we're gonna do it like really big head and a small body. We're gonna start here on top, and we're gonna do first the eyebrow, and this is gonna be a rectangle shape that is very round on the corners. So I'm gonna start here with the letter C, and we went from the center to the left, and from this point I'm gonna do the rectangle shape. So I'm gonna go to the right with 2 lines, and now we're gonna round here the right side. These you can change it, and you can just leave it square, is fine. So now underneath this we're gonna do half of an oval shape, and it's gonna be the first eye. Now I'm gonna leave about 2 finger spaces, and we're gonna do another one, okay? And we're gonna fill them with black. Next, we're gonna do the nose, and we're gonna do a backwards letter C. And underneath the eyes, we're gonna do 2 lines. We're gonna do one here, and another one passing this eye. We're gonna do another one, and I wanna join them in the center with a line that goes from side to side. And this is gonna make it look like a very serious smile. Next, we're gonna do the head. His head is very big, so I'm gonna do here, leave a space after the eyebrow. I wanna trace a line that goes down and past the mouth. And I'm gonna continue from here, going up, he has a big head. I'm gonna start the same thing. I'm gonna start from the eyebrow, going down, and I'm gonna pass the mouth. Now let's go up, and I wanna go to the same distance as the other one. Now let's join them with a little bit of a curved line from side to side. On the bottom part, instead of closing really straight, I want to start with a little curve in each side. And I want to join from side to side, closing right here. We're going to put his ears, so I'm going to start here with a letter C shape, and it's big one. Remember, this is a cartoon character. And inside, we're gonna do another curve, kind of like an upside down letter U. And here inside, we can put one more line. Let's repeat these steps in the other side. We're gonna start with a backwards letter C, an upside down letter U, and a line in the left side. We're gonna do curves for his hair, and they can be different sizes and different directions. They don't have to be exactly like mine. The last detail we're gonna do in the head or in the face is gonna be some cuts, and he has a ton of cuts around his face. So we're gonna do here a line, and we're gonna put little lines here. We're gonna do another one, and these lines are like on the stitches on his face, and you can put it wherever you want. I'm just giving you some ideas. Even you can cross the mouth like this and put little lines to make it look more like the stitches. Even here in the ears, we can put one more. Okay, that's it for the head. Now let's continue with the body. I want to start here, and because he is a cartoon character and his head is super big and the body is tiny, we're gonna start with a line right here. We leave a space, and we do another one. And if you notice, I leave a space here next to the lines, in between the lines and the end of the head. In this space, we're gonna put the arms here on the left side and going a little bit to the bottom, and I wanna do an oval shape at the end. That's gonna be the hand. I'm doing the same right here. Now around the fist, we're gonna do 2 lines, and we're gonna join with a curve, and that's the sleeves. 1, 2, and join. And the very last thing, I want to start here leaving a space in between this line and here. We're going to go around and connect with the sleeves. Leaving a space, and around and connect. And in these sleeves, we're going to do a little dot for buttons. And here on this end, we're gonna put a line and one more. Here on the bottom, we're gonna put a vest that he's wearing, and we're gonna do kind of like a zigzag line that go up and down. It's a little broken. Underneath his chin, we're gonna do one V shape, and we're gonna do double. And here we're gonna do a little line. Now let's continue with the pants, and we're gonna start here on the fist, going down with 2 lines. And in the middle, I'm gonna leave a space after the triangle shapes, making a line. And from this line, I'm gonna do 2 more lines that's gonna pass the first line. So go down, passing this line, go down, passing this line. And to finish, we're gonna do a C shape that connect, C shape that goes to the other side. And here we close this part. And there, that's it. We finished this Frankenstein, this cartoon character, and I hope you like this lesson. Now, my favorite part is coming. Let's color. Okay, little artists, we are done. This is how my pictures turn out of a cartoon character, Frankenstein. Remember, you can change all these colors, you can make changes, you can change the color of the skin, making it more looking like more greenish. You can use your imagination to add whatever you want in the background, or adding some lightning or like a thunderstorm for this character. So, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss lessons step by step like this one. See you next time!